Hi everyone, welcome to Flash Animation Tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn mask. Mask is kind of cropping the photo, a part of the photo in different figures. As you see, I made a different figures and then I crop part of the photo. And you can also take the part of the photo and put into the text. As you see, the mountain part is inside the live text and the sky is in a style. Alright, now we will do this part in a new project. I'm going to open a new and ActionScript 3. And as a first step, I need to, put the photo inside this stage. I will do Control R. Control R is going to take you directly import the stage. And I will take this photo and it will be there. And by the way, as you see the photo size 870 to 580. I'm going to click here and click on the stage and change the size of this 870 to 580. So the stage will be same with the photo. And I can also make a zoom in with the 80% so I can see whole stage at once. Okay. And in order to make mask, you have to do another layer. I'm going to call this mask. Okay. It's not obligation, but you can write something else. It's no problem. Just select this one and start drawing the shapes you wanna crop from the photo. And you can also do different figures while you see the arc beside your pointer. I wanna do this also. And then I would like to continue doing this. Alright, and then I'm gonna do here also. By the way, make sure you select the mask. Okay, and then do different things like this. Okay, let me apply the mask right there. I'm going to click right and mask. It's a pretty easy. When you click right, it's going to crop the the figures from the photo. Alright, as you see, we see the part of the photo. Now I would like to apply the text there. Okay, in order to do this, I need to unmask this and then make sure you release this lock by clicking, and it's going to unlock the image. Okay, so it will make the editable on the image. I'm going to get the text over there and then start writing. You can also change the font style from here. I would like to use the Rockwell extra bold, so it's going to be very bold. And I will do this 76 and start typing there. Live style. Okay. You can also click on this and resize it if it doesn't fit. By the way, this image is going to disturb me a little bit. I'm going to resize it. Okay, and then hold down a shift to make it, to fit over here. Alright, we are ready. But when you apply the mask, it won't work. It didn't show up because it is a whole group. As you see, when you look at the others, you can separate them from here, but for the text, you can't do it because this is a whole group. You have to ungroup this from the whole and it will be separated. So you have to separate the pixels. You're gonna go to modify, break apart. It will, separate the letters from whole. And if you apply this for one more time, it will make it completely separated from each other. So, okay. So now you cannot select them all in the same time. They are all separated. Alright, let me do another time a mask. As you see now, part of the image is inside the text. Okay everyone, we have finished our tutorial here. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.